Hey boys, we're going to move away from the side talk 1000B for a moment. We're going to work on another radio here that everybody knows very well. That would be the HR2510. A friend of mine just dropped this one off, and it's got a issue that there's a dead short across the power connection, and that normally stems from when the radio is hooked up backwards inadvertently with the power connections, that there's a diode right there that shorts out. It's a protection diode. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull that diode down there, and we're going to replace it and see if we can't fix the problem. I just got my meter here. I'm going to put my probes in here just so as you can tell, dead short. There's a dead short across that diode. So I'm going to remove that diode, see what value it is, and replace it. And the short should be disappeared, should be gone. If the short is still there, then it could be a capacitor. This one here, electrolytic, could have shorted as well. So we'll start with the diode and see what happens then. Okay, so we're going to check the diode. So across this diode, you see continuity one way, but not both ways. So as you can see, should short it that way. We'll turn the diode around. So we have a dead short across that diode. So we have to replace that diode with a new diode. Hey guys, as you can see, she is working again. So let's go down to one blown fuse and one shorted diode. Not too bad. Easy enough to one to repair.
I'm gonna get this shit fixed right, and they're gonna offer, I don't care if they offer free shipping for a while, they're gonna have to make this shit right.
Alright folks, thanks for watching.